Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello students. Welcome to lesson 3 of our Conversational Urdu course. Today we will revisit some of our phrases we learned in our previous lesson and also introduce a few new ones. These phrases are essential for asking about someone's well being and are great for starting meaningful conversation in Urdu. You may remember that in our last lesson we learned how to ask "How are you?" for both males and females in Urdu. Let's quickly review. Say it with me. For males, we say "आप कैसे हैं?" This means how are you? Say it with me. For females, we say आप कैसी हैं? Next, say it with me and the reply to that is मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. Since we have covered these phrases before, I want you to take a moment and say them with me to reinforce your memory. Great! Now let's move on to some new phrases to thank someone for asking about your well-being. You can say "Aapka shukriya." This means thank you for asking. Say it with me. Aapka shukriya. Next, to ask someone how their day went, you can say आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा? This means how was your day? Say it with me. आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा? If someone needs help, you can ask. If you are a man, you would say मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ? This means how can I help you? Say it with me. मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ? If you are a woman, you would say मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ? This also means how can I help you? Say it with me. मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ? Well done. Now it's practice time. Pair up with a friend or family member and practice these phrases. Ask each other how you are, how your day was, and offer to help. Now for the end of the week 1, practice task. I want you to engage in a 2-minute conversation using all the phrases we learned this week. Make sure to focus on greetings, introductions, and asking about someone's well-being. This practice will help you to comfortable speaking Urdu naturally. Remember, the key to language learning is practice. So keep using these phrases whenever you can. In our next lesson, we will continue to explore more everyday phrases in Urdu that will help you speak confidently. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Thank you. Shukriya. Until next time. Khuda Hafiz.